I'm gonna put it away to package just arrived. Box, of course, is beaten up. Packages are always beaten up. Packages are usually in pretty rough shape. I've had multiple items come several times. Cracked, broken glass. It looks like somebody was trying to get in here. Maybe it was dropped on the floor or somebody was using it as a step stool. Hopefully it's intact. This is where all the damage is on this side. I'll be pleasantly surprised if it's all in one piece. Looking good so far. Wow, this one made it. Usually it comes very broken. Oops. Usually it comes very broken. It's hard to do with one hand. Vents. Pretty easy to open. There's a review saying that it had a smell to it, and it definitely does. Divider. It definitely has a strong smell. That's the larger bucket. Reviews also say not to put these in the dishwasher or they will melt. Medium size vents. Medium size is pretty good. Another divider. Medium size is pretty good. Nice size. And the smallest is pretty small. Would be only good for berries or something like that. No divider, because again, it is very tiny. So thankfully this one made it. Others have not. But so far so good.